Journey with us into the heart of creation, where raw earth transforms into exquisite ceramic. From the moment raw materials arrive, every step is meticulously managed, ensuring the purest ingredient.
Our journey begins with nature's finest. Each batch of raw clay undergoes rigorous inspection, guaranteeing unparalleled purity and quality. From vast reserves, carefully selected clay begins its transformation, moving through powerful. The raw clay is meticulously blended, a precise alchemy transforming it into a perfect, watering transforms the liquid slurry into firm, pliable clay sheets, the essential foundation for all our intricate ceramic designs. Precision robotics expertly cut the clay into perfect slabs, ensuring uniformity and minimizing waste at this crucial early stage. Even with advanced machinery, human expertise remains vital. Each clay slab undergoes a final, meticulous inspection for perfection.
Keep the line moving. We have a tight deadline today. Yes, increasing the speed now.
Watch the slabs on the main conveyor.
The pug mill refines the clay, removing all air, creating a perfectly homogeneous, de-air.
Automated extruders precisely form diverse geometric clay profiles, each a perfect foundation for our varied ceramic product lines.
In the gentle warmth of the drying room, each clay piece slowly strengthens, preparing for the intense heat of the kiln.
Bone dry and refined, each ceramic piece embarks on its first fiery transformation, entering the bisque firing kilns with anticipation.
Into the fiery heart of the kiln, where intense heat transforms fragile clay into durable, porous.
Emerging from the intense heat, the bisque-fired ceramic is carefully inspected, its newfound strength and porosity confirmed. Robotic precision applies a flawless, uniform glaze, transforming each piece with vibrant color and a protective, lustrous finish.
For truly unique pieces, skilled artisans meticulously hand-paint intricate details, infusing each
into the glazed kiln, where intense heat permanently fuses the glaze, transforming it into a brilliant, durable, and luxurious surface.
Emerging from the glazed kiln, each ceramic piece reveals its true brilliance. The glaze.
In the kiln, our diverse ceramic creations journey towards final inspection, each piece a testament to meticulous craftsmanship and vibrant beauty. Cutting-edge optical systems meticulously scan every surface, detecting even microscopic imperfections, guaranteeing absolute ceramic perfection.
Beyond technology, the human touch. Our expert technicians perform tactile and auditory.
This glaze is perfect.
Yes, move it to the front.
Every detail matters. A tamper-evident seal and luxurious packaging ensure your ceramic masterpiece arrives in pristine, unforgettable condition. From our factory floor to your doorstep, each meticulously packaged ceramic product is ready.
Our vast automated warehouse ensures efficient global distribution. Each ceramic masterpiece.
From our factory to the most exquisite boutiques, our ceramics are presented as true works of art, inviting admiration and desire.
A touch of perfection. Every piece invites a connection, a testament to the artistry and dedication imbued within its creation.
Every masterpiece begins with the perfect foundation. Our artisans meticulously select the finest.
The ancient art of wedging. Our artisans skillfully condition the clay, eliminating air, ensuring a...
The dance begins. With practiced hands, the artisan centers the clay, a foundational moment for every perfectly balanced ceramic form. With delicate strength, the clay rises, guided by the artisan's hands, taking its initial.
A gentle touch creates the opening, then slowly, purposefully, the form expands.
With masterful control, the clay blossoms into a graceful bowl, each curve reflecting the artisan's skill and artistic vision.
With a delicate cut, the freshly thrown piece is released, carefully lifted, marking the completion of its initial shaping.
Espresso. Each delicate piece is carefully placed in a climate-controlled environment, ensuring a slow, even drying.
The leather-hard stage, skilled hands meticulously trim and refine, shaping the base with precision, ensuring perfect balance and form. With careful precision, preformed handles are seamlessly joined, ensuring both aesthetic harmony and functional strength for every ceramic piece.
Bone-dry and incredibly fragile, each ceramic piece awaits its first fiery trial, ready to transform into durable bisque in the kiln.
Into the heart of the inferno, where fragile clay is forged into durable bisque, a testament to the transformative power of fire.
From the kiln, new strength. Bisque-fired ceramics emerge, now durable and porous, ready for the artistry of glazing to begin. A symphony of forms, bisque-fired and waiting. Our diverse ceramic creations journey.
With practiced grace, each bisque piece is immersed, absorbing the rich, vibrant glaze.
After glazing, each piece rests, allowing the glaze to dry perfectly, a critical step before its final, transformative journey through fire.
Into the glossed kiln, where the dried glaze melts and fuses, creating a brilliant, durable, and luxurious. The final unveiling. From the glazed kiln, ceramics emerge, their glazes radiant, perfectly fused, a testament to enduring beauty.
A vibrant procession. Each glazed-fired ceramic journeys towards final inspection, a testament to meticulous craftsmanship and radiant beauty.
Under the magnifying lens, a final scrutiny. Our experts meticulously inspect every surface.
Even the smallest details matter. Artisans meticulously refine every surface, ensuring a flawless finish.
The final signature. Our elegant brand mark, meticulously applied, signifies authenticity. Advanced automation ensures perfect protection. Each ceramic is cradled in custom foam, safeguarding its journey to your home. Beyond the product and experience. Each package includes a certificate of authenticity and a beautifully designed information booklet.
In our dedicated studio, professional photographers meticulously capture the essence and beauty of each ceramic, ready for its global debut.
Every detail matters. Through the lens, we capture the brilliance and intricate beauty of each ceramic, ready for the world to admire.
Seamless logistics. Our automated vehicles transport packaged ceramics with precision, ensuring efficient movement to our expansive warehouse. Robotic precision orchestrates our vast warehouse, ensuring every ceramic creation is perfectly stored and ready for its global journey.
From our factory to the world, cargo trucks, filled with our exquisite ceramics, embark on their journey, connecting art with homes.
Our journey begins deep within the earth, where the purest clay is responsibly sourced, the very essence of our ceramic artistry. From the earth, raw clay begins its journey, moving through initial cleaning and sorting, shedding impurities for ultimate purity.
Our geologists meticulously analyze each clay sample at its source, ensuring its composition meets our exacting standards for quality.
Autonomous trucks transport the refined clay, a seamless journey from quarry to factory, a testament to modern, efficient logistics. Processed clay is efficiently unloaded into our state-of-the-art silos, ensuring optimal storage and a continuous flow for production.
In our advanced mixing lab, technicians precisely control clay compositions, ensuring each blend perfect.
Automated filter presses meticulously remove excess water, yielding perfectly conditioned clay sheets, the ideal canvas for our artisans. Laser-guided precision carves intricate designs into our conditioned clay, merging advanced technology with boundless artistic vision.
With meticulous care, our artisans assemble pre-cut clay components, transforming individual pieces into
automated dispensers precisely fill custom molds with liquid clay slip, creating intricate and consistently flawless ceramic forms. With delicate hands, each slip-cast piece is carefully demolded, revealing its intricate form, a testament to precision and artistry. Freshly demolded, each intricate piece begins its controlled drying process, a crucial step for maintaining its delicate form and integrity. Settling, the art of refinement. Artisans meticulously smooth every seam and edge, preparing the ceramic for its flawless transformation.
With steady hands and artistic vision, our artisans carve intricate details, transforming each bone-dry and intricately adorned. These fragile ceramics await their fiery baptism,
ready to emerge transformed into durable bisque. Into the fiery embrace, intricately carved ceramics begin their first transformation.
From the kiln's embrace, bisque-fired ceramics emerge, their intricate carvings now permanently set, awaiting their vibrant glaze transformation. Bisque-fired and exquisitely carved, our diverse creations journey towards the vibrant, protective embrace of glaze, their final artistic flourish.
With a fine brush, delicate glaze is meticulously applied, enhancing every intricate carving.
Intricately carved ceramics, now glazed, rest in controlled drying, ensuring perfect adherence and
into the glazed kiln, where intense heat fuses the glaze, transforming intricate carvings into brilliant, durable.
The final reveal. Glazed-fired, our ceramics emerge, they intricate carvings now gleaming under a perfectly fused, vibrant glaze.
A vibrant procession. Each glazed-fired ceramic, with its intricate carvings and radiant glaze.
Under the magnifying lens, our experts meticulously inspect every intricate carving and glaze, ensuring absolute perfection in every detail.
The final touch. Artisans meticulously polish each ceramic, enhancing its luster. The final mark of distinction. Our elegant brand, subtly embossed, signifies authenticity.
Luxury in every layer.
Every luxury package includes a personalized thank you card and a serialized certificate, ensuring an unforgettable unboxing experience. In our studio, ceramics transform into lifestyle elements, beautifully captured to inspire elegance in every home, everywhere. Seamless logistics. Our automated vehicles transport luxury packaged ceramics with precision, ensuring efficient movement to our expansive warehouse. Robotic precision orchestrates our vast warehouse, ensuring every luxury ceramic creation is perfectly stored and ready for its global journey.
From our factory to the world, cargo trucks filled with our exquisite ceramics embark on their journey.
From our factory to the most exquisite boutiques, our ceramics are presented as true works of art, inviting admiration and desire.
Our ceramics elevate everyday living, transforming spaces into havens of sophistication, where
In the world's finest kitchens, our designer ceramics are the canvas for culinary artistry, elevating every gastronomic masterpiece.
From intricate carvings to vibrant glazes, our collection embodies diverse beauty.
Signature, Ceramic Innovations Inc., a mark of unparalleled quality, timeless elegance, and a legacy of artistic excellence.
Each ceramic is a cherished gift, meticulously packaged with elegant branding and satin ribbons, ready for an unforgettable unboxing experience.
प्रतिदिन टीडाइए बंदारखे आमदारकांग
From exquisite art pieces to daily luxuries, our diverse collection offers unparalleled quality.
From raw earth to exquisite art, our journey culminates in enduring beauty. Experience the legacy of Ceramic Innovations Inc.